we have a rectangle and the sides are given with algebra expressions, to find the perimeter, we have to add up all four sides. And if all four sides are not marked, you would just simply fill in what the values are for the other two sides here. And then I'm going to put perimeter equals, and I'm going to add up these sides. I'll go clockwise. It's just a method of organizing the information. I have a 2x here. When there's no sign in front of it, it's understood to be a plus. Now I'm up to the x plus 3. And then finally, the last 2x. So just going left to right, I can combine like terms. So I have x, 2x, x, and another 2x, or a total of 6x. And cross off the ones that you've used, just so that you're not missing a piece. Now I have plus 3, and plus 3 is plus 6. Now, this gives an algebraic answer, but it's possible if the perimeter was given as a total, let's say that I had a perimeter of, let's say that it said that it was 36 units. What I can do then is that I can substitute this 36 instead of the p, and then what is resulting is a two-step equation. Now, in order to solve this, I have to isolate the x. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make a notation to myself that the two things being done to x, I'm multiplying by 6 and I'm adding 6. So in order to solve this, I want to do reverse order of operations. I want to subtract 6 from both sides, and then I want to divide both sides by 6. So the first thing that I'll do is subtract 6 from both sides. I'm subtracting ones from ones. So I have 36 minus 6 is 30 equals 6x. And then this 0 pair just adds up to 0, so I don't have to put plus 0. The next thing it says to do is to divide both sides by 6. And when I do that, 30 divided by 6 is 5. And these simplify to 1, so x is by itself. And this is my final answer. Now, one thing you need to keep in mind is that if the question that you're solving is asking what the length of the sides are, I have to take this 5 and replace the x over here. So this side would be 2 times 5, or 10 units for each of these. And then over here where I have x plus 3, it would be 5 plus 3, or 8. So this side would be 8 units, and this side would be 8 units. And if I add all these up, 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 16 is 36. So the answer checks out. Now our answer, it's 5 units. These sides are, this is not area, so it's not going to be units square.